Out where those showers are. Not a whole lot on radar, but where it is raining, you're getting some brief heavy rain. I was showing you north of Lake Pontchartrain, still tracking a couple of lightning strikes with a couple of these small downpours. Also some out to the southwest, not far, as I was saying, from Laplace and Luling, heads up there and around Raceland and not far from Houma. And then along the coast, some very small spotty showers are showing up as well. Let's move into precision cast so you can make your plans for the rest of today with that rain chance. Here we are at noon. It's doing an okay job. You can see a flare up, a few more showers and storms into this afternoon. Everything calms down by about 8 p.m. Our sunset is around 8 p.m. And then overnight, it looks mostly quiet. Early tomorrow, though, we could start to see a couple of coastal showers begin to form. And then often we do see the inland rain begin a bit later in the day. So this is noon tomorrow. Flare up of some showers and storms once again in the afternoon. And then everything calming down. And actually, our model has us very quiet already by about 7 p.m. Our chance of rain tomorrow is about the same. We've been about 40%. That's average for this point in the year, but it does go up toward the end of the week, especially Friday and even into Saturday. I brought it down a little bit for Sunday, and I'll show you more on that in a second. But now let's switch to the heat. Our temperature right now, 91, and our feels like 103. So a lot of humidity, very June-like kind of feel. 90s out there, except for where it's been raining a bit, where temperatures are upper 80s. And then our feels like temperature right on target, about 111 at the lakefront. And temperatures like that for the heat index prompt heat advisories here. So hence, yet another day. Seems like almost every day this month we've had a heat advisory or that step up the excessive heat warning. So just a heads up, very hot and steamy, up to 112 through about 7 p.m. possible for the heat index. And I was thinking, we've had so many of these heat advisories. Are we even toward the end of summer yet? Are we even at the middle of summer yet? So I was taking a look at when is the middle of summer. And if you'll just kind of accompany me on this very nerdy journey, we have 3 possible dates for the middle of summer: July 15th, August 2nd, and August 6th. The point is, well, the thinking is with the different ones is meteorological summer is the 3 hottest months by definition: June, July, and August. So that means by June 15th, we're halfway through. That was yesterday. So by this definition, yes, we're at the middle of summer. There's another way though to look at the seasons, which is astronomical, the Earth moving around the sun. So by that definition, it's the summer solstice to the fall equinox, June 20th to September 22nd. That would be the first day of fall. So August 2nd, we would be halfway through. And then what about the heat? If you just base it on the hottest stretch of the year, our average temperature for the high ticks up to 92 from July 18th to August 16th. So just temperatures alone, that would be considered the hottest. So by August 6th, we're halfway through. So to go even further into the nerddom, to average those 3 dates, I came up with July 29th, which is 2 weeks from now. So thank you for doing that with me. Moving along to our forecast for today, 93 or so expected for the high, and then tonight will be in the 70s to about 80 for our overnight lows. Toward the end of the week, we start to see this surface front drop in because of, I've been showing you the upper pattern. A trough will kind of push this and sag it will sag to the south. So this could be by 4 p.m. Thursday. You can see a flare up of some showers and storms. Friday, here's the little surface front arriving, some scattered showers and storms, and even into Saturday, it stalls here, so that's why our elevated rain chance will be there. It'll just help enhance that lift, and we'll have a lot of moisture in the atmosphere too. So the next 7 days, the purples and reds are 1 to 3 inches of rain. Actually, the purples are 2 inches of rain. And as we know, we can get a heavy downpour easily, just bringing about 3+ inches of rain even in an hour or so, causing some street flooding. So that would be the main thing to watch out for Friday. At least it'll bring our temperatures down, though. Our temperatures upper 80s expected into this weekend. I have the rain chance lifting a little bit at 40% for Sunday.
Alexandra, thank you. The Major League Baseball All-Star Game is tonight in Arlington, Texas, and former LSU national champion